Good morning, student. Today we will discuss about the topic cell. What is cell? Cell is a basic structural and functional unit of life or living organism. In the earth, all the living organism is made up of very tiny microscopic units. It's called a cell. This is a definition of the cell. In short, sometimes we have to define just like a cell is a relationship between the living and non-living organism. Okay, cell derives from Latin term which is known as cellula. Cellula means a small box-like structure, just like a brick. Okay, so next one, living organism. Cell is a basic unit of the living organism. So what is living organism? Divide into two parts. First one, microscopic. Second one, macroscopic. Microscopic means a small part, small in size. Macroscopic, it means large in size in compared to the microscopic. Microscopic is also called a unicellular organism, that means not seen by the naked eyes. But macroscopic, it is a multicellular. It means it is a combination of the more than two cells. So seen by the naked eyes. For example, we have to see. So amoeba, bacteria, algae, plant, animal. The most fittest organism in the world is human being. Okay, these are the unicellular and multicellular. Amoeba and bacteria both are the example of the unicellular or microscopic. Algae, plant and animals and human beings also be a example of the macroscopic or multicellular organism. Now we will discuss about the discovery of the cell. So who was the discoverer of the cell? किसने सबसे पहले सेल को देखा और किस तरह की सेल में देखा? तो सेल को सबसे पहले डिस्कवर करने वाले साइंटिस्ट हैं रॉबर्ट हुक. In 1665 he was the discoverer of the cell. और सबसे पहला सेल देखा गया है डेड सेल में. डेड सेल मीन्स अ कॉर्क सेल, सेल वॉल, द आउटर मोस्ट लेयर ऑफ द प्लांट सेल. ओके, एंड शेप एंड साइज रिलेटेड टू द रिस्पेक्टिव फंक्शन. एंड कुछ साल के बाद रॉबर्ट हुक ने जब डेड सेल को डिस्कवर किया, उसके बाद एक और साइंटिस्ट आए थे, एंटोनी वॉन ल्यूवेनहॉक, एंड ही वॉज डिस्कवर्ड द फर्स्ट लिविंग सेल. He was discovered the first living cell. The next one, cell theory. So what is cell theory? Cell theory announced by the Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann. So Matthias Schleiden announced the every plant cell is made up of a large number of cells. But Theodor Schwann, he declared that all animals and plants are composed of cells, which serve as the unit of structure and function, and in short is called a cell theory. Automatically it is proposed by the Schleiden and Schwann in the 1839. And after the Schleiden and Schwann, one more scientist, Rudolf Virchow, in 1858 made an addition to the cell theory by saying that all cells arise from pre-existing cells, and he has given and states three major points. The first point is the cell is the smallest unit of structure of all living beings. The second point is the cell is the unit of function of all living organism. And the third and the last point of the cell theory, all cells arise from the pre-existing cell. It means जितनी भी सेल बन रही हैं, चाहे वो प्लांट की हो चाहे वो एनिमल की हो, वो सारी पेरेंट सेल के डिवाइड होने के बाद ही बनेंगी. दिस इज द कंक्लूजन ऑफ द सेल थ्योरी, एंड दैट वन ओनली गिवन बाय द Rudolf Virchow, Schleiden and Schwann. Now thank you.